Hi, Kwame. Charlie, what's up?
Hello, Ade, what's up?
Mr. Ade. I saw your mail this morning. You were asking questions about setting up Python for programming.
Yes. So I was talking to a couple of my friends and they mentioned Python. And for the first time, I thought Python, the Abi be slick. Uh, I was confused. But from the conversation we were having, you could see that we were talking about a programming language. So I want to ask you, being a professional in this field, what is Python and what are some of the uses for Python? And how can I get Python on my system?
All right. I think I understand what you're saying. And first, yes, Python is not a snake, but a uh, programming language. There's a name given to a programming language. Okay. Well, for the past few months or years, I would say, Python has become very popular because it's easy to learn and easy to use. It's one of the simple programming languages that you can use to build applications. And of late, it's being used in AI a lot. So if you want to build bots and other few things, I think Python makes it really simple to build these things and all that. So that is why Python is you are hearing it a lot. But I'm sorry to burst your bubble. It is not a snake.
Oh, okay. Well, that is something new I have learned. I've learned. So, how do I get it on my system? I will go buy for download Do I get it copied from someone, or how do I get it?
Okay, so if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can. I think Windows have made it simple for you to set up Python. All you have to do is to install it from the Microsoft Store. So just open Microsoft Store on your PC and then just search for Python in the address bar. So just search for Python and that should open up Python interpreters in the web. So you can see there are several versions here, but always get the latest version, okay, unless indicated otherwise. So just click on it and then click on install. It should take between 5 to 10 minutes to get it fully installed on your system. Once that is done, you can to check if it is actually installed on your system. Just use the search. Sorry, use the search on your Windows and then just search for command prompt. So just type CMD. Now, once you search for CMD, just open it and I'll like say this. Just open CMD and then just type and search for Python like this. Once you do this, voila, Python is installed on your PC and ready to be used.
Oh, okay. That's very simple and straightforward.
Yeah.
All right. So I would go on to install it and then get it set up. And I can see that you can type help to get more information. So I'll do that. And if I don't understand anything, I'll just leave it in the comment section. So whenever you have time, you can respond to it and then walk me through it.
I'll do that. Also, you can leave. If you are having issues installing it because of older versions of Windows or something, just let me know in the comment section and then I'll get back to you.
Okay, sure. I'll do that.
Have a wonderful day, man.
All right.
See you next time.
Okay, you too. And I think I'll call you at 4 a.m. to, if I have nothing, I'll just call you at 4 a.m. just to see how you are doing.
Why would you want to call me around 4 a.m.?
That is the time I am up, so I thought you would also be up at that time.
No, I will not be up at 4 a.m. If you call me around 4 a.m.,
Best friends,
I
best
don't know.
friends talk at 4 a.m.
Sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry. Just remember
Okay,
to
I'll
like
call you
and
out.
subscribe to my channel in case you forget.
Sure. Yes, sir, I'll do that for you. I'll do
Alright.
that for you.
Bye.
All right, and have a nice day.
You
Then
too.
catch you later.
You too.